I can't let you state that the return on investment will take long. It doesn't take long. If you listen to, and I invite everyone to really take a look at the papers. I look forward to seeing the summary for business community, the summary for policymakers, which are going to come up from this conference. And you will understand that, in fact, whatever aspect you take the issue, anyone which business is linked, related, or depend on, agricultural output, they should care for the way the land and the water is being used. It is a finite and limited resources. Today, we know by FAO's 2011 assessment that 25% of land globally is severely degraded with severe trend or high trend of degradation, unsustainable. Now, when you look at investment, which not only improve or regenerate already degraded land as an alternative to further encroach on existing forests, which we can't afford to do, investment to regenerate already degraded land, though we all know that avoiding degradation is the most cost-efficient way to go, but the alternative to go and deforest to have new arable land for agriculture's sake is to restore degraded land, which still hold potential for restoration, and sometimes it takes 2, 3, 4 years to do that. So businesses where you can double or triple the output in 3, 4, 5 years are not many in the world. The issue is that we have been so used to degrade, migrate, and go elsewhere to further degrade that we think we can continue doing that. But we are reaching the tipping point of such way of doing business. So business as usual is no more an option. What we need now is to consider the benefit of it. I met some innovators, investors who are also innovators, and they are coming up with new business model. I met a gentleman who is a global fund manager in Geneva, and he's building a new business model to invest on agroforestry. And you have heard me saying that agroforestry is the future of agriculture and agroforestry is the future of forest. So if you build on that, and they are serious about that, then you will see that it is possible to invest in an inclusive manner. Local smallholder farmers will benefit from it. The resource base for future business for those global business corporations will also be preserved. Water will be preserved. And that's what it is about. So what we need, and I call on business leaders, investors to be innovators. That's who they are. They look at where profit is. And that profit is good, provided that it is sustainable. And there is profit in restoring already degraded land. There is profit in sustainable land management.